Growing up in Texas, I had my dad as a person to look up to. He was an attorney. I'd seen what he did in his law practice, and it was an inspiration to me to see how he was able to help people individually. I wanted to be able to help people just like my dad did. At Bryan Walker Law, we handle civil litigation matters, state and federal criminal defense, military and veterans law. I have a lot of jury trial experience. In fact, I got sworn in as an attorney on one day, and I was handling my very first jury trial, my first full day as an attorney.
I needed to hire Mr. Walker to defend my son, who was charged with domestic assault. Mr. Walker just listened. He didn't tell me be quiet. He didn't hold it short to just what's he charged with. He listened to the background. I didn't hide nothing from him. Everything that I knew about my son, I laid out there so he could make a decision, can I help this young man? And he did. And I was very appreciative of that.
I had nasopharyngeal throat cancer. I had filed with the VA for disability, and they had basically been stiffing me over and over and over and over again. Bryan was able to cut through all that. And yeah, he fixed it. He did fabulous.
I'm a judge advocate in the United States Air Force Reserve. And in the U.S. Air Force, we have three core principles. There's integrity first, service before self, and excellence in all we do. I have adopted those at Bryan Walker Law. If we tell a client that we can or can't do something, we make sure we can or can't do that. I'm going to do everything I can to make sure that I get you what you want, but I can't promise you that I'm going to be able to do it. The only promise I can make you is telling you that I'm going to fight for you, and I'm going to do the best possible job that I can.
I think Bryan Walker's fantastic with juries. Bryan and I were involved in a case a couple of years back. He did a fantastic job, and after a fairly brief deliberation, we were very satisfied with the results. And our client was very satisfied and relieved with the results.
Having a client who tells me, you helped change my life, or you saved my life, that's when I know that I'm doing the right thing. That's when I know that I'm doing what I was made to do. It's a good feeling. We do everything we can to get you justice, to resolve your case as quickly and as efficiently as possible. We have a long list of satisfied clients that have been very happy with the outcomes they've received, and I feel confident in telling you, you will get services that you're proud of when you retain our services at Bryan Walker Law.